Imagine a world where your contracts generate themselves, saving you precious time and eliminating tedious manual work. Today, we're diving into the power of DocuSign to unlock this magic with contract automation. This isn't about complex coding. It's about smart business. The secret sauce lies in DocuSign's powerful templating capabilities first. We need to create a master contract template. Think of this as your blueprint. Within this template, we'll identify the dynamic fields of pieces of information that change from contract to contract, for example, the client's name, the specific services being offered, the dates, and any unique terms. Now, here's where the automation truly shines. DocuSign can dynamically populate these fields using your existing data. This data can come from a customer relationship management system, a simple spreadsheet, or even a custom integration. You define the rules when a deal is closed in your CRM. For instance, DocuSign can automatically pull the relevant client information and service details. Simply select your data source, map it to the template's fields, and voila! A fully customized contract is generated in seconds. This eliminates the risk of human error and ensures consistency across all your agreements. This process drastically reduces the time spent on preparing contracts, allowing your sales teams to close deals faster and your legal departments to focus on strategic tasks. By leveraging DocuSign's contract automation, you're not just creating documents. You're streamlining your entire contract lifecycle, boosting efficiency, and transforming your business operations.